with all these old 700 years old buildings, 700 years old breathtaking beauty of sculptures. There's no wonder why this temple was added as the national relics under state protection in 1961, first batch. Guangsheng Temple in Hongtong County, the upper temple of Guangsheng Si. Dade merciful voyage with Buddhism for 10,000 generations. I have never seen any pagodas in China as colorful as this flying rainbow pagoda. 弥陀殿, the hall dedicated to Amitabha the Buddha. Look at all the columns, beams, and bracket system in this hall. So complicated. Love these three statues. So raw and so powerful, so elegant. One of the three treasures in this temple is this Zhaoceng Jingzang. It's a collection of Chinese Buddhist sutras printed in Yuan or Song Dynasty. It was kept here originally. Now it's in the National Library of China in Beijing. Murals on the wall as well, but the color almost gone and lost the most part of the painting already. Tang Dynasty cypress tree, 1,300 years old. Grand Hall, 大雄宝殿, after the Amitabha Buddha Hall. Dynasty statues, Buddha and the two Bodhisattvas. Oh my God. Enshrined. That's a nice name. Heaven in heaven. These wooden windows are over 500 years old as well. Original. Oh my God. I am so thrilled to be here, to be honest. So beautiful. So beautiful. I want to cry. With all the wall paintings, statues, this wooden cabinet. It's a heaven for Buddhist art of China. Statues, sculptures in this hall.
应该网上都可以找到图片的。
哦，我就这，我站在外面。